Drop. Good girl. Up, over. You done it. Cheated. Up, over. Yes. Good girl. Picture. Good. Good girl.
Leave it alone. I can play it later. Oh, dude. Get it?
I think so. I think so. It looked like it did. Definitely got the picture.
We can do 2 more of those.
Oh yeah, I totally got it.
We'll do 2 more of those. And then,
Drop it. Drop. Good girl.
after those 2, I want to see if you'll go to place on the chair.
On the chair? Okay. Cyphers. Place. Place. Come on. Cyphers. Place. Good girl. Come on. Get your other leg up here. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Let's go. Up, over.
Yes.
Girl. Picture. Good. Cyphers, place. Good girl.
Good. Okay, so on that place, next time, I want her to jump off that. So
Jump off that?
Toss it up.
Okay,
Tell
bet.
her, we'll say parkour.
Okay.
Hey, be quiet.
That's it.
I want her to associate jumping off of shit with
With parkour. Bet.
I ain't tell you speak. No.
Drop. No. Drop.
And actually, so
Girl.
instead of putting her on there, you can still put her on there for place.
Yep.
But actually, I want you to get her off of it.
Have her jump off of that?
Yeah.
Okay.
This would be a little safer.